In this video, we'll guide you through how to use indicators and pocket option to help you make better trading decisions, whether you are new to trading or looking to improve your strategy. Understanding how to use indicators is crucial. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. Indicators are tools that help traders analyze price movements and make predictions about future market behavior. Pocket option offers a wide range of indicators, and using them can help you identify trends, support, and resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points for trades. Once you've got your chart open, you'll want to look at the top of the screen for the indicators button. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of options, including popular ones like the moving averages, relative strength index, Bollinger bands, MACD, and more. These are the core indicators you'll want to familiarize with yourself with as a beginner. Let's take a closer look at some of them. Moving averages are one of the most commonly used indicators. They help you identify the direction of the trend by smoothing out price data over a specific period. For example, a simple moving average SMA or an exponential moving average will show you the average price over a set number of periods. If the price is above the moving average, it's considered an uptrend. If it's below, it's a downtrend. This can help you decide whether to enter or exit a trade. The relative strength index is another popular indicator. It measures the speed and change of price movements, and it's often used to identify overbought to oversold conditions. An RSI value about 70 suggests the market is overbought, while a value below 30 indicates it's oversold. These readings can signal when the price might reverse. Now, MACD, moving average convergence divergence, is another useful indicator for identifying changes in momentum and trend direction. It consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it may indicate a buying opportunity. When it crosses below it, it may signal a sell opportunity. In conclusion, using indicators on pocket option is a great way to enhance your trading strategy. Start with the basics and don't be afraid to experiment with different indicators to see what works best for you. Remember, no indicator is foolproof, but when used correctly, they can significantly improve your decision making process. If you found this video and tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips and guides. Let me know in the comments which indicators you prefer to use on pocket option, and I'll be happy to help with any questions you might have. Happy trading, guys!